Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to use Google Lens. Google Lens is a powerful image recognition tool that uses your smartphone camera to provide helpful information about objects, places, and much more. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Launch the Google app. To get started with using Google Lens, make sure you have the latest version of the Google app installed on your smartphone. If not, head over to google.com in your browser or visit the App Store for iOS or Android devices and download it. Step 2. Open the camera. Once you have the app installed and open it up, look for a small colorful icon in the search bar shaped like a square with rounded corners. That's where you'll find Google Lens. Step 3. Accessing Google Lens. Tap on this icon and wait for the camera viewfinder screen to appear. This is where you can start using all of its amazing features. Step 4. Identify objects. Point your phone's camera at an object or item you want more information about. It could be anything from plants and animals to landmarks or even text within images. Step 5. Tap on Object of Interest. When you've framed what you want within the viewfinder screen, simply tap on it once. This will prompt Google Lens to analyze what it sees. Step 6. Get information and actions. After analyzing, relevant information about that object will appear on your screen along with various actions depending on what was recognized by Lens, such as searching for similar images online or shopping options if it recognizes products. And voila! That's how easy it is to use Google Lens. You can explore so many different things with this feature. Just keep experimenting with everyday objects around you. Let us know in the comments what you discovered using Google Lens. Yes, it also has its own application called Lens. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you never miss an update.